Have you ever wondered how to prepare for UPSC in just 1 year? It may seem like a daunting task, but with a well-planned approach, you can indeed conquer this mountain. Today, we're going to break down this process into manageable steps. First and foremost, understanding the UPSC exam pattern and syllabus forms the bedrock of your preparation. The Union Public Service Commission conducts this exam in 3 stages: preliminary, mains, and the interview. Each stage has its unique pattern and syllabus, which you need to comprehend thoroughly. The second step is to create a realistic study plan. Divide your preparation into 2 parts. The first 8 months should focus on gaining a comprehensive understanding of the syllabus, and the remaining 4 months should be for revision and taking mock tests. Remember, consistency trumps intensity when it comes to UPSC preparation. Next, it's essential to choose the right study material. Standard reference books, NCERT textbooks, and current affairs magazines should form the core of your resources. Online platforms can supplement these, providing dynamic content for current affairs. The fourth step is to develop answer writing skills. UPSC is not just a test of your knowledge, it's a test of your ability to express that knowledge coherently. Regular practice of answer writing can significantly enhance your main score. The fifth step is to take regular mock tests. They help you understand the exam pattern, improve speed, and build confidence. They also act as a mirror, reflecting your preparation level and areas where you need to work more. Lastly, but equally important, is taking care of your mental and physical health. Regular exercise, a balanced diet, and sufficient sleep are non-negotiable. Remember, a healthy mind resides in a healthy body. To summarize, preparing for UPSC in 1 year involves understanding the exam pattern and syllabus, creating a realistic study plan, choosing the right study material, developing answer writing skills, taking regular mock tests, and maintaining good health. Remember, the journey of UPSC preparation is not just about cracking the exam, it's about transforming you into an aware, analytical, and responsible citizen. It's a journey that can be as rewarding as the destination itself. So buckle up, stay focused, and embark on this exciting journey. And remember, the only person you are destined to become is the person you decide to be. So decide wisely and work hard. Your future is in your hands.